What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, and today, Cyber Monday, coming at you with a little bit of a deal if you're interested. So, if you want to lock in some amazing software and funnels for a one-time fee, you can use these as many times as you want. You can have unlimited domains, all your call tools, your texting, your emails, automations, your drip campaigns, all that will be under this package, as well as some additional tools for Facebook. This is going to be good through the end of today. So tonight at 11:59, this deal will come down. I got 5 spots available. So if you're interested, be sure to jump in. So as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And we'll take a look at this offer. So here's all the features you get inside Legendary. You get two-way SMS calling and email. You can create SMS autoresponders, like if you text demo to 319-250-6868, you can see how that works. You're going to get the power dialer system, call recording, voicemail drops, call whispers. So if you're running Facebook ads, your leads are going to come right into the CRM. You can initiate a call whisper to yourself that will tell you, hey, you have a new Facebook lead. Derek, press 1 to connect, and you can do that or send that to your agents, whatever, on your team. So that's real nice to get on the phone with hot leads as quick as you can. You'll be on the phone in under 90 seconds, so that's a big deal. Otherwise, those leads might be Googling your competition and try to go to them. So you get unlimited contacts. You can add unlimited team members under your account, unlimited websites and funnels, unlimited domains, like I said. You get a calendar and appointment follow-up system. So you can schedule a call with me if you want to see how that works. But it's really sweet. You can cancel any other Calendly system or Book Like a Boss you're currently using. This one will beat that one out for sure. And you get the full CRM and sales pipelines. So let's just take a look at some of these funnel templates. These are inside the Legendary funnel library. Once you set up your account, I'll have to load these in for you. But it'll only take a few minutes once we get you all set up. And you'll have access to these high quality templates you can kind of edit for your own purposes. So we can take a look at a couple of these here. This one's kind of a pest control style funnel. You can see some of the hover features we have here. These are mobile optimized as well. So you can just find one that you like and kind of swap it out for your purposes. And there's a ton of these in here. I think we have somewhere between 80 and 100 right now. We did have over 100 at one point. I kind of deleted some of the ones that were kind of clunky. So just bear that in mind as well. But let's take a look at this one. This one's like for a car dealership. And, you know, these could be changed to fit whatever you want. It's just kind of a template you can start from that helps you get a good looking funnel up quicker. We also have some real estate ones. So this would be for like a luxury real estate agency or something like that. Kind of a homepage style site. So yeah, there's a whole library of these, like I said. So you guys can kind of take a look here at some of these different styles. We got fitness, the real estate, car dealers, healthcare, home breweries, restaurants. This would be like a landscaping, software sites, energy, preschool, and a whole bunch more you can check out. So that's going to be included for a one-time fee, as well as these Facebook tools. So if you're not familiar, we give you a cold outreach tool, so you can send targeted friend requests based on a keyword. So if you're looking to connect with accountants, you can type in words like accountant, bookkeeper, CPA, and those friend requests will go out for you automatically. I recommend sending like 50 to 60 per day, and that's just going to run on autopilot. So that's doing some cold outreach for you. You can optionally send a message along with it as well, or you can wait until they accept the request. I have people who prefer it both ways. If you do wait, once they accept the request, you can tag them with a label, and they'll come into your CRM system. So this is one of my favorite Chrome extensions for Facebook. It allows you to track your leads through a sales pipeline in Facebook. So with the cold outreach, you could tag them with a cold lead tag. If they respond at all, you can move them to like my mustard tag here for leads. If they show an interest, you can move them to hot leads, and then hopefully over time they become customers, right? And stuff like that. So lots of other cool stuff in here. You can create webhooks to send that data to your external CRM. You can actually webhook them into Legendary if you want to follow up there. You can add name and email on the back end if you collect that through Messenger, and then send that data externally as well. You can later send a broadcast message based on either a label or tag you've added to your contacts, and those will drip out over time. So those will be spaced out so it won't cause any issues with Facebook. So Really cool, really powerful social media prospecting tools. And you'll also get a content scheduler, so you can schedule content to your personal Facebook profile. And as far as I know, that's the only software tool on the market that allows you to schedule to your personal profile as well as Facebook groups. And you can also kind of save posts to your content library that you see as you're scrolling Facebook. So those are the basics. In a nutshell, you can also watch this video to see more info on those tools and watch the video here to see more info on Legendary. But if you want to get in on this Cyber Monday deal, I'll leave an invoice link below. It's going to be $9.97. That's a one-time fee. No monthly, no annual payments in the future. You would be billed on usage if you're using the phones. And that's just straight Twilio pricing. So 3/4 of a penny per text message, incoming or outgoing. And between 85% of a penny and 1.3 pennies, whether it's incoming or outgoing call per minute. So that will just fluctuate based on your usage, and it's very inexpensive when you're doing prospecting or anything like that. You're also going to get some courses from me. So I have an SMS marketing automation course. I show you how to go on Twilio, set up your professional IVR system. I crack the code for inbound IVRs and outbound IVRs. So you'll have that as well as my Facebook organic marketing automation course. And that's going to show you how to use those Facebook tools as well as some strategy behind how to use those effectively to free up your time and actually generate leads on autopilot on Facebook. So with that being said, hope you guys had a great holiday weekend, spend some time with family, stuff like that. And hopefully you guys are looking forward to the holidays coming up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Hopefully you snatch up this Legendary Cyber Monday deal. There are 5 spots available, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Stay legendary.